Have you ever gone to the refrigerator and found that there were no cold beverages ready when you wanted one? Have you had a soda or beer can look like this when you put them in the freezer to try to get them colder faster? Now, having to drink a warm beverage is a thing of the past, thanks to the Chill-O-Matic from B&D Innovations, a product whose time has come. Just insert your beverage can, cover it with ice, and turn it on. The rotating action of the Chill-O-Matic completely chills your drink in 60 seconds. That's over 240 times faster than the refrigerator. Quit dragging that bulky cooler around on every trip. Now you can enjoy a cold, refreshing drink anytime, anywhere in just 60 seconds with Chill-O-Matic. Best of all, the Chill-O-Matic operates on 2 AA batteries. It's lightweight and compact, so you can take it wherever you go. Use it at the beach, by the pool, on camping trips, in dorm rooms, while tailgating, at picnics, or at home.
The Chill-O-Matic's exclusive spinning motion prevents you from ever having to worry about opening an exploding soda can.
Chill-O-Matic is simply the fastest way to cool your drinks, guaranteed. Take your drink for a spin and go from warm to icy cold in 60 seconds with the Chill-O-Matic.
Many conventional fan heaters fail to heat the room effectively because they use spinning blades powered by inefficient motors. The Dyson Hot and Cool fan heater uses air multiplier technology for long-range heat projection. An annular jet draws in surrounding air, amplifying it, making it the fastest to heat the room evenly in winter, with high-velocity airflow to cool you effectively in summer. AM05 is safe with no spinning blades or visible heating elements, and it cuts out automatically if tipped over. The temperature of the heating elements is maintained below dust burning point, so there's no worrying burning smell. It oscillates smoothly, pivots with easy touch tilt, allows temperature to be set to the degree, and can be operated from the remote control. With AM05, it costs up to 53% less to heat a whole room evenly than conventional fan heaters, and it can lower energy bills by up to 20% when used with air conditioning.
Meet Sensibo, a unique device that makes any air conditioner smart, making your life comfortable. Sensibo turns off the AC when you leave home and saves up to 40% on energy consumption. With the Sensibo app, you can easily control the AC from anywhere, assuring the right temperature at the right time. Sensibo, your smart AC has arrived.
You